I don't know if you guys can see this, but I guess KFC and a 3D bioprinting solutions company in Russia are using a bioprinter to produce KFC nuggets. This news is from last year, but I guess also Bill Gates is encouraging countries to start using meat produced in laboratories from cells in Petri dishes and stuff. And what do you guys as homesteaders and farmers think about all this? Because this, I hate to overuse the term dystopian nightmare, but come on. This is like all those you know, the scary, weird movies from the 70s and 80s and even 90s, you know. It's not full-on Soylent Green yet, but if we're producing meat in labs, that's pretty out there. I don't think this is a great solution to climate change. I mean, yes, cows produce methane, but so does fracking and oil and gas drilling, and there's just uncapped methane leaks leaking all over the place right now, and melting in the permafrost in Siberia and causing all sorts of crazy weather shit like what's happened in Texas, and making things worse for everybody here on planet Earth. But I really don't think using a bioprinter to produce fake meat for the masses so they can continue to have cheap, crappy fast food is a great idea. I think we need to maybe take a look at how we're living and find another way, because this is absolutely crazy. Like, going further and further from nature is not the answer, but let me know what you peoples think about fake meat produced in labs and how that's going to really affect things. If you're just thinking about starting your own homestead or farm and you're a meat eater, I would put your plan into priority action in a hurry here. It's not looking good here. I mean, factory farming absolutely has to go. That is just a nightmare situation for everybody in the world. Factory farming, it's absolutely unsustainable and cruel and all that. And one of the reasons I raise my own meat. But let me know in the comments section what you guys think about KFC mystery meat nuggets coming onto the market soon.